So as far as the mount I used to hold my phone onto my scooter, what I'm using is a Ram handlebar mount. And you can see, obviously, I have it attached to my front right mirror here, but it works perfectly. What you want to make sure is you tighten this clasp real strong here, this claw, but then with this next joint here, you want to make sure it's resting on the body panels here and has a fulcrum, a point where the pressure can be applied, where it's going to be steady. If you don't have this fulcrum here, this base, it's just going to be moving all around in the wind when you're riding hard or when the bike's vibrating. And it's the same story over here. I have another mount which I'll use to mount my camera on. Same thing, I've got the clasp here real tight, and then I've got this attachment resting on the body of the scooter, so that way it has this base. Alright, and I'll put the camera here for some first person views. But with the Ram mount, it comes with these little rubber, it comes with 4 little rubber clasps. It almost looks like a spider web, I'll show you in a second, and then 4 rubber attachments, so it's got a lot of grip and the phone's not going to move. But the thing is, these rubber clasps, they do eventually break because you're stretching them all the time. But I'll show you what it looks like here. Hold on. So you can see when the way the device works, but these all come off, these 4 rubber attachments come off, and it also comes with some glue, some crazy glue, so you can really adhere them in there the first time you use them. But you just toss your phone in there, you put these 4 little grips on, but look, you can see one of the grips is broken. So you can buy these separately too, these little grips. And I'll put in the link in the description below so you can get a Ram mount and the little grips, and even this camera one here. But yeah, you need a good mount that's not going to be moving around. Last thing you want to do is be riding and then your mount it comes loose and then you have to try to fix it, and that puts you in danger. So yeah, Ram mount, really good, worth the money. But I'll put a link down below, you can get your own. Bye.